Hello everyone, this is Don with MecSoft Support. I wanted to do a short video on many users ask how they can get their G-code editor of choice to display the posted G-code in whenever you post an operation in CAM or Visual CAD/CAM. So by default, when you install the program and you post an operation, let's just post it. What comes up by default is the Windows Notepad editor. Okay, so that's the standard Notepad application that is installed with Windows. So many users want to use what's called the MultiDNC G-code editor, and they want it to display here with their posted G-code instead of Notepad. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, you need to find out where your MultiDNC editor executable file is on your computer, and there's a real easy way to do that. I have my MultiDNC editor on my taskbar right here. Okay, so let's just open that. So that's the MultiDNC editor. If you right click on that, either in the taskbar or in the All Programs menu in Windows or in the file browser, just right click on that and then right click on the editor and pick Properties. You'll see the target path. Okay, so we need to know where the MultiDNC editor is on your computer. So we're just going to copy that path. Okay, so now that we have that copied to the clipboard, we're going to go into the CAM preferences, and we're going to go to Post Processor, and all these options are related to posting. So up here you'll see Program to send posted file to. By default it says Notepad. We're just going to paste that path in there, and we're going to pick OK. Now, one thing to make sure when you post that in there is that it has to have the complete path and the .exe. This is the path to execute the MultiDNC editor. So if you just double clicked on that in Windows, it would run the editor. So this is the path you need to actually run the MultiDNC editor. We're going to pick OK. So now when we post, the MultiDNC editor will display with your posted G-code. I hope that helps. Thank you. Take care.